guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you all are doing really well. Today I'm coming at you with another makeup look. This one is a party makeup look. So this is something that you can wear for your Christmas parties, New Year parties, all the parties that are going on right now. For this video, I've gone for a very simple eye and I've given you two options for the lip, a classic red and a classic nude. To be honest, you can go with any lip color, it doesn't really matter. I've gone for a winged eyeshadow look. This is not a liner. I think so liner just makes everything very harsh, so I've gone for a winged eyeshadow look. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm just starting off by applying a lot of lip balm on my lips because it's winter time and I've started to notice that my lips are very chapped. So I'm just gonna apply that. I have already moisturized my skin, and for that I've used the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. It's a lovely moisturizer for the winter time. I don't usually use this a lot during summer, but winters I love it, especially if you live somewhere where cold hai. This is just perfect. So now I will go in with a primer. Okay, so I don't want to prime my entire face, but I just want to prime my T-zone, basically my pores. I've just noticed recently that my pores are just getting massive day by day, so I need something for my pores. So for that I will use the Benefit Professional. It's a silicone based primer and I will just place that wherever I see pores. So I'm just gonna place the primer on my cheeks, a little on my chin also. We are done with the primer. We will move on to foundation. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation. I recently got it and I have been trying it. So I never wanted to do a first impression on this foundation because this is an expensive foundation. So I just wanted to wear it for a number of days and just then give you my final review. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation. I am in the shade 310G Amorati. I don't really like applying this foundation on a beauty blender. I really like the finish with a brush. So I'm just going to take one pump. I will spread this all over my face. Ooh. As you can see, I've spread the product. You really have to move in very quickly with this foundation because this dries very quickly. So I'm just gonna blend it all away very quickly. So you need anything more than one pump because the coverage is just insane. Okay, next we will move on to some concealing. So I'll go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I have been really loving the combination of the Huda Beauty foundation and this concealer. I'll pop that under my eyes, and with a PAC 206 brush I will just blend this all out. I'm gonna set my under eyes and my eyelids with the Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm gonna use this banana shade over here, and I'm gonna do this with a beauty blender. Now let's just move on to our eyes. So I'm gonna use sellotape. I will place this at the end of my eye, just like a wing sort of a thing. Now that I'm looking weird as hell, let's just start with the eye makeup. Now this will be a guideline for the wing that we will do today. So let's just start with eye makeup now. I'm going to take the PAC Matte Eyeshadow Palette, a lovely neutral palette. The only thing I wish they had was a black in here. I'm going to take a blending brush. This is the PAC 204, and I will take this shade over here. I'll define my crease with this. brown shade over here, and I will... Damn! Next I will take a PAC 209 brush. I will take this shade over here. I wish they had names. And I'll pack this just alongside the sellotape. And I will deposit this color even on my lash line. If you noticed, I'm not bringing this all the way inside. I'm just starting it from like here. I'm gonna take a smaller brush. This is from Color Bar, and I will dip it into any black shade. Let's use this one. This is the Revolution palette. Just taking that, just dabbing the excess at the back of my hand. We're gonna go very light-handedly. So I'm just placing that over the brown. Just winging it out. And bringing the color on my lash line also. I'm taking an angled brush, and I think so इससे ज़्यादा अच्छे तरह से work होगा. So now I'm just placing this deep into my lash line. Okay, so I'm quite happy with the way things are looking. Now what I'll do is I'll go back to the same little brush, and I'll just try to smudge it a little bit. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm just gonna take black and just deepen the eye. Next step is very important. I will remove the sellotape. Eyes are looking a little bit off, so now what we'll do is we'll apply some lashes and then we'll just fix up the eye, okay? So I'm gonna take my PAC lashes in the number M71. The lashes are done, and do you see how much of a difference just a simple pair of lashes make? Like just look at the difference. I will just apply some mascara on my bottom lash line just to balance out the eyes actually. Okay, so I'm done with my eyes. Now moving on to the face. हमने concealer, foundation and powder under my eyes already कर लिया. Now let's move on to bronzing. Sivanna Colors bronzer. I love this product. It's like the cheapest thing on the market, but it's so good. So I'm gonna bronze up my skin. I usually take ये दोनों shades, so I just take them on a brush, tap off the excess, and then I will just bronze up my skin. Like to bronze this part also because I have like a double chin, so it just helps conceal the double chin. So I like to go in and just blend it out nicely under my chin. I have a smaller forehead, but if you have a bigger forehead, I would say just go in with bronzing on your forehead because it will just look amazing. So the next thing that we will do is a blush. I'm gonna use my favorite blush, which is this blush over here. This is the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. And I will just pop that ever so slightly on my cheek. I removed my lip balm, so let's move on to lips. I will give you 2 lip options for this look. So let's go on with the first option. First, I will line my lip. Okay, so the first lipstick will be a red lipstick. I'm gonna go in with this Australia's Girl Boss Demi Matte Lip Cream. It's a lovely color, love the color. Now let's just move on to the second lip option. For our second lip option, I'm gonna line my lips with the Rimmel Exaggerate lip liner in the number 18. This I'm gonna go in with the Revlon Ultra Matte Lip Color in the number 645 Forever. This is more like me. I would honestly wear this kind of look on any special occasion, to be really honest. I love the way nudes look on any skin tone. Like no matter what is your skin tone, you will find nude for yourself, and once you fall in love with a nude, you will just not go back. So a really special Christmas party or a New Year's party to attend, go with the red lipstick. But if you want to go with something more muted, you can go with the nude lips. I will go in with the setting spray, the NYX matte setting spray. Actually just protect my eye, and then spray this all over my face. After I've set my setting spray, now I will go in with my beauty blender all over my face, just to make sure everything is seamlessly blended. So with that, we've come to an end of this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed the video, and you guys try this look out, because it's really simple. And I hope I explained it nicely also. If you did not watch my previous video, I made an announcement that you will not be seeing me next week. So this was the last video of 2018. Like, where has this year flown by? I don't even know. 2018 has just gone like that. I mean, where has 2018 gone? Do you guys feel like that? Anyways, this was the last video of 2018. The next time I'm gonna see you is on the 1st of January. If you guys don't know, I'm doing hashtag 31 days with we, in which I will be creating one new video every day this January. So from the 1st of January to the 31st of January, there will be a new video every day. Yes, every day on this channel. So I would love to have you back for more videos. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon also, and I shall see you next time. Bye guys, take care. Mwah.
You're a dreamer, so am I. I like dragons, I like butterflies. We are dreamers of a different kind.